Hi everyone, my name is Spani Perez. I'm a visual design student, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Pride and Prejudice movie. This movie is based on a Jane Austen book. It takes place in England at middle of the 18th century, and it is about the Bennet family, especially about the daughters. They are young ladies between 15 and 23 years old, and her mother is desperate to make them marry. And of course, she wants convenient and arranged marriages. This is because they are poor and depends to Colin, who is the cousin of the young ladies, and who is the only worthy of inheritance just for the fact of being the man of the family. There is five Bennet girls. There is Jane, who is the oldest and the prettiest of all. Then is Lizzie, who is not as pretty as her older sister, but she is the most confident and smart of the sisters. There is Catherine and Lydia. They are the same age and they are unwise and rash. They are always causing trouble to the family, especially to the reputation of they. And the youngest sister, Mary, she's introverted and the quiet one. The movie has a beautiful photograph and art direction, which makes honor to the beautiful landscapes, castles, and to the picturesque houses of the families in the town. Another remarkable thing about the movie is the clothing design, which has lovely dresses and accessories, and that makes to the viewer gets involved and that feels that epoch vibe. So I highly recommend this movie. It's beautiful, have great performances. The story is very emotional, and I really love that shows how difficult was to be a woman about those days.